This conference
So
will now be
meanwhile,
recorded.
we'll go with your questions. Mohan, now I have full access. Can you please share your screen? You're asking some questions, right? Can I make you presenter right now?
I'm not started my server.
Okay, fine. So do you have any question from anyone? Vivek, Amini, Vijay, Mohan, Abhijit, others? So if you have any questions, I'll make you presenter. We'll discuss. Okay, fine. Then okay. Next question. So up to date, you're good? Abhi, Mohan, Vijay, Vivek, please unmute. Yeah, I will talk. What is the use to unmute? Vivek, can you please mute? Sorry. Amini, everyone. We'll talk something, right? If you have to be silent, then what I can talk with you? Whom I have to talk? So up to date will be there, Amini. Everyone, Vivek, Vijay, Mohan, Abhijit.
No, sir. Last week I'm not attended the class. No, sir. I have to practice it.
I sent you recording classes, right? Yeah, you can.
Yes, sir. But I
If you
have
want to attend
work.
the people, I know total. I think this total count is 16 people, 1 6. But regularly attending only 6 7 people. Only remaining people are completed depending on the videos. It means that we need to if you not attend the classes means, but I'm sending the recording classes at least the when you are maybe night time. It's not like a free time. This is your responsibilities. You not attend the class also. At least you need to finish your recording class daily, and you have to finish even the assignment also. That is your responsibility. It's not like simple, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, he's still up to date. Okay, last week at pending. How good? Hi Vivek. I think you're muted, Vivek. Okay. Vijay. Abhijit, yeah. You're unmuted.
Yeah, madam. Yeah, actually, I'm up to date, but the thing is that it's with me like I have to do it 2 3 times to just to get the good grip
Hmm.
about the things. So yeah, that's why I asked you about all the videos so that I can go through all the videos and get everything right
In that,
about the
in the
things.
drive, is there all from day one
Yeah,
demo to till last yesterday? I mean, till yesterday, day before yesterday, right? No classes
yeah.
because of due to submitting invitation. So there's no classes yesterday, and day before, nobody joined. That's why. So remaining all classes will be there here in the Google Drive. We
Yes,
can,
I have checked.
yeah, day one
Yeah,
by one you can check. There is a
yeah,
order
I
day
went
one,
to
day
the
two, day
drive.
three. Hmm.
Yeah, I
Hi,
went to
Vishwa.
the drive. All the videos were there. So
Hmm.
yeah, I'm actually I've been roasted for going to the office on Mondays and Tuesdays. So now I'm in
Hmm.
this week I am on holiday, so I'm going through all the videos so that I can get all the things right.
Again, I'm
So
telling
this,
you. So by December, so January first week you need to start because December fourth week you need to upload your resume.
yeah,
Okay, December fourth week you need to upload your resume. January first week onwards, how you are getting calls, you know that because January first week also maybe a little bit, and December fourth you all vacations, right? You all holidays. From January second week onwards, how you are getting calls, how you can get the calls, you know that. So
yeah,
be prepared well for that. Okay,
yeah,
be
Madhav,
prepared for.
yeah, about that, like for these interviews process, we have to be certified, no? Like for
Obviously, I
CSA and
told you that's why
CSS.
no,
Yeah,
that's why I sent you right for you also links, right?
yeah,
I
yeah,
didn't
yeah.
send you.
Yes, you sent
You
me
need to create
the links.
account there and let you know. We'll help. I help you. I told you no. Once you create
Yeah.
it, accounts, then try to finish this month itself. That's good for you, Abhijit.
Yeah, sure.
Hmm? Okay, fine. I think we got it now. This link, yeah. We got Pega login screen and install it. Sorry, open the log in the application. Open the data transform rule and open the data types also for opening of data pages. It's opening this one. Okay. Yeah. So just open data pages. List database, single database. Savable is not required because you know well, savable is for saving information. Saving means from where to where? Business logic to database layer. But we are coming reverse direction. Database layer to business logic. Why? In the database layer we have the data. So run this, bring the data to the where? Clipboard, you know well. So how to bring the data from the table to clipboard? Using of data pages. Single record, multiple records. So now go for clipboard, open the clipboard. We have data here in the node level. Go for standard. Single page. And if we talk node level, we have that D underscore list of the records. So now we are talking about single record. Do you know how to copy the data from page to page, and from the single page how to bring the particular property value also, you know that. Now matter, we are discussing about page list. So from page list means a list of ordered each single page, right? single page. So a list of ordered single pages we are calling as a page list. So from this, if you want to copy the particular record or particular property value, how we can do? So that is the right now we are discussing. If you open the data transform rule, better for the list purpose, create one more database. So use the save as, then the same with the data, it will be copying into the new data transform rule. So give the name, but if you give the same name, Pega tool doesn't allow duplicate name, duplicate rule. So we need to give unique name. So wait, this operation for retrieving, how to retrieve the values from the group, list, page list, array. You can talk any terminology. There in the coding language, we are using the for loop. One by one, you are retrieving. But what about here? No coding here. Then how we are going to retrieve the value one by one from the page list? Copying the whole page, you know that. But I want the particular record, particular property value. What we can do? Wait. Yeah. Customer data list, multiple records, right? So create and open in this class role in the parent. Yeah. So now delete this operation. Is all single database. Now we are talking about list. Single database, so first use comment. What is purpose? We are talking about list information. Add one more step. Now which data? Customer, this keep it. Now I'm going to copy. So I want to copy whole data. Okay. This whole data right now it is available in the database node scope level. This whole page I want to copy into my functionality, all the records. So what I can do, go for definition tab, use the for setting means setting purpose, mapping purpose. Now go here, your source means where it is available, the clipboard page, it is available here. It is available here, and to which place? So maybe you can copy it here to this place. So the whole information right now, the whole information copying to this target place. Save it. Now run it. Now see that clipboard. Even you need to open the trace also see that. Customer data, the whole information copied into the in this page. Now this is our control. I can edit, I can use, and I can edit. I can do anything with this data in my functionality. I'm not disturbing data pages. I'm not disturbing the data pages. Even we don't have rights. It's like a read-only operation. It is editable operation. Now we brought whole page information, but I don't want. Where is the clipboard? Yeah. Now what happened? Whole information I brought it now. I don't want whole page. The particular page information I want. So from the page list, first we need to retrieve the single pages. From the single pages, we need to retrieve the particular property. Okay. So this is the hierarchy. Before single page, directly from the single page, we retrieve particular property by using of dot operator. Now first from the page list, there's one step here. Now we have two steps from the bringing of page list. Page list, single page to property. So go for here, customer data by using of single or dot operator. This is single page. We did easily. But now if we're coming to page list, how we can do? At the step for this operation, we need to use for each operation, for each page. First one, go on page in class tab. We need import source page inside the data transform role. Already you imported a question. Good. Already you are imported. In the node level, this is the page. Expand this px results. You already imported this page. This whole page. From this, I want to import this page. So we need to import this page. So this page completely copy paste. Don't use 1 and 2. This is called integers, hard code. So paste it. For this page, which is the reference class, px_obj class property, holding that value, copy and paste it. So even no need to paste it. If you click down arrow, we can get it. Okay, I'm just doing that way. So now I want a source space is a parent and child, both will be I kept it here. Now go for definition tab, source space. First one, which page list we need to call here, that is px results list of the, this is the source page, child page. From this I want to retrieve. Click down arrow, source page dot customer ID. So all child operations. We want one more. But one more thing here. One by one, there are multiple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be there. Order index value. If we talk coding language, they will use for loop. Inside the for loop, they will put some in the integer I equal to 0, I less than equal to 10, I plus plus. So I is the key there. Is the index. The same thing, instead of giving off hard code 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I want to give the dynamically. So that index, how to give it in the Pega is standard here. Okay. We have Pega indexes. Go for Pega Google. I'll show you examples. current insert last so go here, please note this current insert last append prepend for each one. For getting off from the list current value, you can use current index. Insert particular, if you want insert the value for in this page list, we can use insert. Last means last highest index value. Prepend append both for the adding and updating purpose into the page list. They're given with the syntax here for each page. See that. Okay, for each page they given the for syntax how to give it. Even still, if you want any other thing, go for back. Pega will be there. Even we can use YouTube also will be there, and indexes. How they given the say current. Pega why is not coming? Pega. The other sites, I don't want other sites. We'll go for Pega system. The same thing lost. And so, okay, we'll see the query here. We will have any examples. Examples I want. Go. Okay, I can give it here. So instead of the same, go Pega. Here, for getting of current value inside the page list, give the standard syntax, no change, same thing in the Pega real time also. Current, you can give caps or small, whatever you want. So it is getting of current value into the from the page list. That is customer ID. When you are doing the loop, current. What about so target place? Give something test customer ID. Then there is one question will be there. I'll show you that practically. What happened now? Save it. Open the tracer also. Open the clipboard tracer and watch data rules how it will be executing when you are running the particular functionality rule. For data purpose, clipboard rules purpose tracer logic. Run. If you open the clipboard, tracer is there, that already is opened only. Okay, now run it. Yeah, see that. Now successfully executed. Now first go for clipboard, refresh. Now there is a customer test page, right? We can test page. If you click here, it is only if you expand also nothing is there. Only one record is 9 Naveen will be there. But you want to bring all the records, right? So the loop happened from 3.1. The loop happened 1, 1, 2. So how many times? Total 9 times. But if you talk step begin, paste the first name. If we click here, we'll get 9 Naveen. Why the remaining values not came inside the page list? Because the loop is happened 9 times. See here, 9 times it will be executed. It means that the value came, when you done the first value, when you go for the end page, when you done the first value, both values came. Sorry, not this one. Page you need to open. Page. But after what happened, after what happened, when it done the second time loop, those two values will be updated. Those two values will be updated in the previous values. It will mean that is replacing, overriding. So why I want all the list of values, right? Because what you did, you need to do the same category, not different categories. So this is a page list. It is a single page. This page list will be holding multiple values. When you are mapping, setting, it should be the same category, not other category, right? This is single category. These are multiple categories. In the single category, capability will have only one record. This single record, single page will be capability to hold the single page only, not multiple pages. That's why if even this page also need to hold the multiple values, multiple records, we need to give this page list. Then only it will be hold the multiple values. So how we can convert this page as a page list? As of now, single page. So easily process the same formula. I'm going to use the source page. Whatever given the test pages, this page we can give the reference name for this class. Copy, paste it. After this child page, under this give the PX results child pages. So the page, whatever the page we given, that page, which page you want to convert as a page list, that page we need to give the reference class page list class, that is code-pag-list. After that, under that, which single page classes we need to hold it, that page class we need to put it here, page.px result and the reference class. Now the same thing what we can do, remove test px results dot customer id. First name. Now inside the px results, the same thing you need to give the syntax, standard syntax in the real time also. I'll tell you the scenario. Current so I'm getting current value. So when you want to fetch the values from the page list one by one and bringing to the other page list, or copying and setting, mapping, the standard syntax, please by heart it. For this scenario in the real time level, wherever you want to use to bring the values from the page list one by one to the target page, we need to use for each operation. Inside, for getting of current value, we need to use current index, remaining, insert, last, append, prepend, both those are like remaining based on scenario. Last value, updating purpose, inserting purpose, and adding purpose. Now save it. Now save it and clear the tracer and retry it. Now we'll get all the values. Save action, run it. So the loop happened multiple times, looping and rotating. So now you can see the clipboard. Customer, not customer, data page, right? Data test data. If you expand this, under that PX results multiple records. See, all to till 9 Naveen. All records are okay. Like this, we want to do the copy the mapping the values from source to destination by using of data transform, either single page from whole page or particular property, or from the using of page list, how to copy the value setting or mapping to the other place. We can use data transform rule by using of this operation. Maybe I don't want all the values, I want only a particular condition. We need to keep some condition. Maybe we can use when condition and down write this which operation we need. But when condition is a decision rule, for example, but I need to create again when condition rule. We don't know what is the when condition rule. For example, we need to write some when condition. When, so maybe customer ID equal to 1, then only you can set the value. This is decision rule. Still we didn't discuss about business condition rules. I'll tell you that later. Okay, so if it's not then we are skipping that. We are skipping that the business condition rules, then only you can say. So now step by step it will be executing. Only particular condition means we can use the when condition rule. If not satisfied, please exit for each. Not satisfied, exit for each. See, only from the for each. Or you want exit data transform means it will be exiting completely. The control will come out from the data transform rule when the condition is not satisfied. That is purpose of exit for each, exit data transform. What about append map to? Append map to both are using for the page list. Please note it. Both are using the page list. If you want add the value to the page list, insert is in existing page list. If you want to add the value, we can use insert index. But if you want add the existing page list on full record, we can go for the append map to both. But difference is, I'll tell you, if you want new page or existing page, you want add, not here, delete this. You want add out of the for each page, minimize, then you can add it. Fourth will come, otherwise will come now append it to. So if you add existing page, how it will happen? And if you add new page, so I'm going to adding of this page. Okay, the customer page I'm going to adding into the, we'll see that. One more append, 2 times I'm adding. D underscore customer list. No, not here. This remove. This is the source space. Adding to this space. That is text results. Okay, now see the differences. Save it. Okay, you will get what is that. Oh, this target page already there. We are using here, right? Okay. Mhm. Again, need to convert. Do one thing. Remove this list. We'll do this only. Save it. Action. Both be compatible. Why? Oh, yeah. Both will be compatible. Check it. Test list is the buffer and D customer list different class. So both are the different classes. Appended to it should be the both should be same classes only. So now I'm trying to adding this space. Is there with the same page? Customer what? Yeah, I think customer data will be there. I can use customer data. TX results. This page I'm going to adding. No, this under cust data. Again, I need to convert it. I'll tell you what is this. So what it did, right? Now append it to target page class, source page class, both should be same. Check it. Condition number 1. Target page class, source page class, both will be same. Number 1 role is very important. Append it to. Now action run it. What happened? This is going to run it and see the tracer tool clipboard. It is executed. Now go and see the clipboard. What happened? Where it is added that page. Expand the customer data. PX results. So this customer data PX results. Expand this under PX results. See that. So under PX results, this space, source space added under that in this space. So appended to is used this space, source space added into the target page. The both source and target both will be same classes only. So that's why it is added here. Again, there's 10 records. PX results be 9 records. See that. So if you want add any page list only for the page list, if you go for append to map to, now same classes, pages names, but different classes. Now source target pages different classes, then use the append to map to. If same classes, use the append to. That is the difference between the append to append map to. Okay, this is completely data transform rule, mapping the data from one place to another place, that's page to page, property to property, page list to page list. That is the meaning. Okay, you want to transfer the value from property to another property, from one property to another property, one page to another page, one page list to another page list. We can use data transform rule. This is standard formula in the Pega. No change. Is a formula. In the Pega, if you want to copy the value from one place to another place, no thinking. Blindly you can say we have to use data transform rule. Either property to property, page to to page list, we have different operations setting, and once you use it, please remove that in the clipboard. And now here without condition, step by step will be executing. Only particular condition only I want to map it. We can use those actions also when conditions. So this is about data transform rule and actions. We need to buy it. It's very important right now. Now the information is available in the clipboard in my functionality. It means that user pages level. It is available user pages means it is my functionality level. User pages my control pages. Now in both places I have the data. From how to bring the data from the business logic layer to presentation layer, from the clipboard from my functional to presentation layer, and clipboard to my functionality to the presentation layer. Before bringing this data, because if you show the client or users, they cannot understand this technical format structure. This data I want to present to the users properly understandable format. We need to give the proper view format to the understand. If we show them what is this, they cannot understand that. So put some like it is a customer page and bring this data and display this data in the customer page level, then they can understand. So now I have the data here in both places. Now how to bring, we'll talk first. Before that, how we can design presentation layer, we'll talk it. Once you know that designing, then I can bring the data from both places to the here. That we'll see the tomorrow class about how we can design the data presentation layer by using a Pega tool. So today very important topic. So enter a question please. What is or the actions are available in the data transform rule? What is difference between appended to and append map to? What are the indexes are there? They are the entry questions in the data transform rule. And practically you need to practice these things and these things. This is the practical session today. So we'll talk tomorrow about user interface. Do you have any questions from anyone? Guys, on question, please join everybody through the not mobile, through laptop. And even if you join laptop, please be ready with your application. Start the server, open the application. If you have any questions, I can make you presenter. Then you can ask me questions. I can tell you, because next time we converts Monday, there is no mock interview. If you have any questions, I can clarify your question Monday. What you done that? If you have any question, I can clarify. Still, if you don't have a question, I can continue the classes. Okay, fine. We'll meet you tomorrow. Bye.